because every star has a story to tell. "12 Most Powerful K-Drama Couples." They lit up our screens with chemistry we thought was only fiction, until it wasn't. For millions of fans worldwide, the line between real life and real life is the most beautiful story ever told. The moment a beloved K-drama pairing steps out of the screen and into reality is pure magic. Today, we are counting down the 12 most powerful K-drama couples, not just based on their fame, but on their enduring influence, their beautiful families, and the unbreakable foundation of love they've built. And while we know names like Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin, did you know that the iconic couple at number 5 completely defied celebrity norms and changed the public's perception of what a celebrity marriage should look like? Stick around, because we're diving deep into their love stories, from secret dating to family life. The final lesson from the number 1 couple is truly life-changing and proves that destiny is real. 12. Ryu Su-yong and Park Ha-sun. Kicking off our list at number 12 are the quiet anchors, Ryu Su-yong and Park Ha-sun. They met filming the 2013 drama 2 Weeks, but their low-key friendship blossomed into a private romance 2 years later. Known for their refreshingly candid and down-to-earth approach to marriage, they often share glimpses of their simple family happiness with their daughter. Their influence lies in normalizing a stress-free celebrity marriage, showing that even top stars can prioritize privacy and simplicity. (11) Tae-young and Eugene. At number 11, we have a couple who were literally an idol's dream. Actor Tae-young and the legendary SES member, Ye-jin. Their connection started on the set of Creating Destiny. Their family life, famously showcased on the reality show The Return of Superman, has cemented them as role models for conscious, loving parenting. They prove that you can achieve massive success in the demanding world of entertainment while being the most devoted parents. Lee Sang-woo and Kim So-yeon. Number 10 is the perfect example of on-screen love turning real, Lee Sang-woo and Kim So-yeon. They played rivals who fell in love in the drama Happy Home, but their real-life chemistry was undeniable. Their fairy tale wedding and visible, unwavering support for each other's demanding careers, especially Kim So-yeon's powerful run in Penthouse, make them a beautiful symbol of professional partnership and enduring public romance. (9) Kyung-gu and Yoon-ah. Moving to number 9, we look at cinematic royalty, Kyung-gu and Yoon-ah. Their powerful acting careers brought them together, and despite facing significant public scrutiny and challenges early on, their commitment to each other and their son has stood the test of time. Their legacy is built on artistic integrity and quiet resilience, influencing audiences with a mature love that prioritizes substance over celebrity gossip. (8) Jung-suk and Gummy. At number 8, we find the incredible pairing of actor Jung-suk and the ballad queen, Gummy. This is a couple whose talent speaks for itself. They dated privately for 5 years before marrying in 2018. They are the epitome of privacy and support, rarely appearing together but always cheering each other on from the sidelines. Their story shows that two extremely busy, high-profile individuals can build a fortress of love away from the spotlight. 7. Han Ga-in and Yeon Jung-hoon. Our number 7 couple got married young and set the standard for longevity, Han Ga-in and Yeon Jung-hoon. They met on the set of the 2003 drama Yellow Handkerchief and married just 2 years later. They bravely navigated the pressures of marrying young in the industry and have successfully raised 2 children. For over 2 decades, they have proven that a true connection can thrive, even under the intense scrutiny of the public eye. Six. Ji-sung and Lee Bo-young. Coming in at number 6, we have 2 of the most reliable and respected stars, Ji-sung and Lee Bo-young. They met while filming the 2004 drama Save the Last Dance for Me. After 6 years of dating and a beautiful 2013 wedding, their marriage is known for its balance and stability. They consistently top polls as one of the most ideal celebrity couples, largely because of their mutual respect and shared approach to balancing their demanding careers with their family life. Five. Lee Hyori and Lee Sang-soon. Now, at number 5, we have the couple that completely changed the game. Lee Hyori, the iconic K-pop queen, and musician Lee Sang-soon. Their choice to live a simple, humble life on Jeju Island after their private 2013 wedding was revolutionary. They defied every expectation of a celebrity power couple. Their candid reality show appearances inspired an entire generation to redefine success, happiness, and love, proving that fame is secondary to finding peace and a true soulmate. Four. Park Shin-hye and Choi Tae-joon. Sliding in at number 4 are the newly crowned royalty, Park Shin-hye and Choi Tae-joon. After dating quietly for years, their 2022 wedding, which brought together a spectacular guest list, was one of the biggest entertainment events of the year. Both are massive stars, and their beautiful union and the birth of their son cemented their status as the defining K-couple for the new generation, showing that open love is the new trend. 3. Byung-hun and Lee Min-jung. Our bronze medal couple, at number 3, are the ultimate veterans with global reach, Byung-hun and Lee Min-jung. Individually, they are massive stars, with Byung-hun having a successful Hollywood crossover career. Despite the intense public pressure that comes with their level of fame, their marriage and the raising of their family have remained their anchor, showcasing maturity and commitment within the most demanding spotlight. Two. Rain and Kim Tae-hee. The silver medal goes to a couple who could be called the true royal family of K-entertainment, Rain and Kim Tae-hee. Individually, their influence and wealth are astronomical. Their secret, modest wedding in 2017 shocked everyone, and their private life has only fueled the intense public fascination. Their union created a superpower legacy, symbolizing the perfect blend of talent, status, and beauty, a union that truly inspires awe. 1. Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin. And finally, at number 1, is the couple whose love story truly felt like destiny, Hyun Bin and Son Ye-jin. Their on-screen chemistry in Crash Landing on You transcended the drama, captivating millions globally. Their eventual marriage and the birth of their child was the ultimate fantasy-turned-reality story. Their massive global fanbase makes their union the most influential celebrity marriage in modern K-drama history, proving that sometimes the fictional story is actually the beginning of a magnificent truth. What we see in these 12 powerful couples isn't just fame and fortune. It is a fundamental, enduring lesson that the greatest success, the most powerful kind of life, is built on the strongest foundation, the family unit. From the quiet simplicity of Lee Hyori and Lee Sang-soon to the global, destined impact of the Byung-hun couple, their stories inspire us to seek not just a partner, but a lifelong anchor, a true teammate to face the world with. Which of these powerful couples gave you the most hope for real-life K-drama romance? Let us know your favorite story in the comments below. And if these beautiful stories inspired you to believe in true love, please hit that like button and subscribe. We release new content celebrating K-culture and its greatest influences every week, so you won't want to miss what we cover next. Thank you for watching.